You can lay on your stomach too, babe. Lay on your stomach. Good job, AJ.
I was doing good till y'all came outside.
AJ, try it on your stomach, babes. Try it right there. Where you're at. Do it on your stomach. Right there. You gotta slide.
You gotta be in the tube.
Slide. Don't jump. You gotta slide.
You gotta be in the tube.
There you go.
Now hold your feet up. Hold your feet up. Hold your feet up. See how Talia held her feet up when she went down first?
Trey.
When you get in there, you gotta hold your feet up, okay? You gonna go stomach, you gonna go head first? Okay. Huh?
Move.
Come here, Trey.
Get out the way.
Good boy.
Aww.
Hold your feet up.
I got mine.
His body ain't even on it.